A shortcut menu plugin must contain these three types of files where X is the name of the plugin. This CTL is the type definition that specifies the object that the plugin affects. Next is the this this build vi builds the shortcut menu, and the last one is execute x.vi. This is the execution plugin execution vi that executes when we select the custom item from the shortcut menu. So we save these files in an LLB library with the plugin name. LabVIEW searches and load plugins from LLBs in the directories that I will show you in a short while. LabVIEW ignores contents of subdirectories when searching for plugins. So there are 4 of these folders. So let's go to Documents, then LabVIEW Data, and inside that you would create a folder called pop-up menus, and inside that would be a folder called Edit, Panel, and Diagram. So this folder contains LLBs, libraries of plugins that affect edit time, front panel, and block diagram objects used by all versions of LabVIEW. So for second folder, let's go back one step back into the pop-up menus folder, and there would be another folder called Run Time Diagram. This folder contains libraries, LLBs of plugins that affect runtime block diagram objects used by all versions of LabVIEW. For the third folder, let's go to Program Files as x86 Natural Instruments. then LabVIEW version that you are using, and inside that you would find a resource folder, and inside that you would find a plugins folder. Inside that would be a pop-up menus folder. Inside that you would find edit time panel and diagram. This folder contains libraries, LLBs of plugins that affect edit time front panel and block diagram objects used by this version of LabVIEW only. Next we have, let's go back one step, and here uh, should be a folder. Let's create it, named runtime diagram, and this would contain LLBs of plugins that affect runtime block diagram objects used by this version of LabVIEW only. So if two libraries LLBs have the same name, the library LLB in this path, program files, national instruments, LabVIEW version you are using, resource, plugins and pop-up menus, the library in this folder takes precedence.